RPG Character Sheet. This is one of my most proudest and bestest projects. You can create any character you want, make as many characters as you want. Super cool that allows you to do that, and you can save your characters again, right? Cool thing, you can import or share your character with other people, right? Share that with someone else, and they can import it. And the cool thing, right, we've got dice down at the bottom. We even got the plot die. So I just rolled an opportunity. So any of these things you need to do, you roll your d20, got 14. It's all possible here. And it's all supposed to look like the printable PDF, right? And if you like it, get it. Super useful. If your whole D&D group gets it, it's pretty nice. If you don't like dark mode, that's fine. There is a light mode. So here is light mode if that's your thing. But yeah, allows you to have full control over your character. Change whatever you want, type whatever you want in there. All the things that you need to do. So I really enjoy it. It's pretty useful for me. So I definitely recommend taking a look at this thing. It is pretty cool.